Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a white background to a text box in Photoshop. Okay. Create a new layer or down. Then go to shape. Change the shape color. Double click for change this color or click the shape. Select white. You added stroke or not add stroke. Change the text color. Double click the text. Okay. Hold Ctrl, select shape, align. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.